What's up, guys? It's Kyle with SiouxlandMarketing.com. Today I want to talk to you about editing by devices. So inside the Duda website builder, you have the opportunity to edit by a variety of different devices using the top section up here. Today I want to show you how each one works. Let's dive into it. Alright guys, so we're here today to talk about editing the view of your website by each device. Now, a few years ago, there was this huge thing about Google not indexing non-mobile friendly sites, and it turned out to be a farce, but people are all up in arms about it and whatnot. But basically, I think close to 50% of views come from phones these days. A lot of them do for a lot of sites anyway, so depending on which niche, which industry, whatever. But when people are searching for, a lot of my stuff is in local lead gen, or I'm building a lot of local lead gen sites. I build out a lot of client sites for branding and whatnot. But a lot of those viewers are coming from mobile devices. So being mobile friendly is very important to my business. But then how do you make sure that your Duda website builder, or Duda website is actually mobile friendly, or tablet friendly, or desktop friendly? I mean, pretty much all these are desktop friendly, so we're not going to go there. But basically, I've got this page on this site. How do we make sure that it's mobile friendly? Well, inside of Duda, what they offer you is the ability to edit by device. Now, at the top here, you can choose which device you want to edit by. And what's really interesting and important is that as you make changes on these for each device, it saves it as that device, but the changes don't make a difference when you change the view. So when you're editing it as mobile, it's saving it as mobile as well. So we want to make sure that everything is clearly visible. Now this is a template, so if it isn't clear, then we'll be in trouble. We got a different conversation to have. But basically what we can do is we can go ahead and edit these different pieces, and making sure that they are, let's say we want to add some more space there. We'll add it, we'll add another 25. Instead of 25, we'll make it farther down. We'll make this one further down as well. Looks like, but we'll do 25 between. But all these changes that are being made here are being changed on the mobile version of this website only. They're not being changed on the desktop version. So let's go down, because we're on this part of the page here. So we got equality and commitment here. Let's go down here. So we've got the top. Let's go to spacing. We'll prove this theory here. We've got a spacing, so then we've got 20 and 25 there. Okay, so we'll go back up to the desktop. We'll go to meet our team. Notice how these are all the same. That format change didn't make a difference on the desktop version, but yet it did change up the way that this was viewed on the mobile version, because again, this is still here. If we go over to spacing change, that change is still saved on the mobile version. Now, I mean, for the most part, desktop and tablet are fairly similar. So I tend to check tablet, but I don't tend to do as many edits on tablet. So if I go over to those, checking to make sure things are friendly on mobile is important, and making sure those edits are there. But Duda makes it very simple to change viewpoints. So I don't know if you're a web editor too or not, but I'm sure it was funny to remember the days when we were grabbing the side of our computer screen and pushing it off to the side to get the mobile friendly version, and you have to go down the way on that. But I love that Duda makes it very simple to edit by device. So yeah, that's a really interesting feature that Duda has included, and a really helpful one. Well, until next time, guys, we'll see ya.